All right, we got a no heat call here, and the customer has already indicated the age of the system, and they've had it worked on several times, and like I said, they've already indicated they're interested in replacement. So let's go look at it. This is a really good area, very popular, and I walked around that left side there and you could see the condenser, but there was a fence. So I'm gonna have to go back through here. Hey guys, what's up? How y'all doing? Huh? How y'all doing? A little bit of dog hair on the unit, and a while back we were moving units into the fence, and now we probably would like to move it out of the fence. They're not getting stolen quite as bad, and looks like the dogs brush up on it to scratch herself and get hair all over it. So I'm trying to find the blue pipe where it comes out. So I think we'll probably have to go through the house to get into the back, but if I remember right, I don't know what that big cabinet is. Anyway, get over here and see what we can see. Three blinks. Three flashes. So pressure switch error. And I'm going to believe that is probably vent pipe related. Although it could be the switch itself. It's rare, but sometimes the case. So anyway, I was just looking while I was outside, and I should have paid attention in here, because some circus clown has run 90% condensing furnace exhaust into the chimney, which is not the end of the world for operation, but it is actually a no-no. Okay, another piece to this equation is we've got a 12 and a 10 and a 10. Those may actually be 9s. We've got one 12 and two 9s, or either two 10s, hooked to a 100,000 BTU furnace, and that is just simply not enough. And let's just look at this thing. Nobody ever does the maintenance on these, and it's a little cantankerous to do anyway. And look at that. I mean, you know, I'm gonna guess that you heard the difference in the blower sound when I pulled this out. And I really just do not like these. I really just absolutely do not like these filters. I never did. And the train rep is trying to push them, you know, clean effects, blah, blah, blah. Let's just see if we can tell exactly how dirty that is. Look at that. I'm pointing that flashlight straight at the camera. Let me turn the light on. Okay. This will be a pretty good effect. Look at that. As you can see, light cannot really even get through that. So I don't know if you want to call this lack of maintenance or just a stupid filter to begin with, but I guess you could take that outside and vacuum it off, or I don't know if the book really advises that you use water on it, but I guess you could vacuum that off, and that's kind of a pre-screen that catches the worst of everything. But I just do not like these. I'd much rather have a 5-inch or 4-inch media filter that I can just slide in and out and throw away than this so-called fancy electronic air cleaner. Trane makes some great products in my opinion, and they also make some that I don't like. Let me get the light back on. Now once you get it hinged into the other side, it just closes right on, and you can see it lights up right when it makes its connection. So I mean, it's a fairly well built appliance. It's just not something that I like. I just don't like it, you know. For those that do like it and they do the research, some of these engineers are definitely smarter than me, and they decide they want them, we'll put them in, but I certainly don't push this product on anybody. All right, let's get out of here. Okay, so once again we learned the lesson of sometimes you're just not looking in the most obvious spot. And you know, I had said that was a no-no and you shouldn't do that. Well, they actually did it right. They ran it into the bottom of the chimney and elbowed straight up, or at least we think they did. Now I would have put something on the top. We call it a candy cane. We put a 90 and a 45 together to kind of curve it over, and you know, not, I mean, water won't really hurt a 90% furnace, but you just don't invite rain into it to process as much water as you can, and strain the water system and fill the pump up with rain on a non-stop basis. So we just don't do that. But at least a T or something up there, but it was just an open straight 3-inch pipe pointing straight up, and I don't usually like putting any kind of grate or screen or anything on flue pipes, but when it's up there and you have no easy control of it or easy way to maintain it and check it, you know, there could be a bird down in that thing or anything. So that's definitely a situation that I would not create for myself. Like I said, we have done that before when we found no possible way to get out horizontally. We have done that, but we'll put a candy cane on the top and a little piece of screen in it, or, you know, a rabbit cage, just a thick piece, squirrel cage, a piece of screen stuffed up in it, and, you know, do something to make it work and to prevent headaches, because it's not on the ground where we can easily see in it and control it and maintain it. But we are going to change that system out, and I found a place to vent it, and we're going to do away with the clean effects if they take my advice, at least. So we should have the go-ahead on it. We've got a tentative go-ahead now, but I'm going to put it in writing for him and get it to him tonight. We may be able to do a follow-up video just to show what we did over there. In fact, I'll try to. All right, let's go to the next one. Thanks for watching.